Ashley 24/7. If you're new, please subscribe. And if you've already been subscribed, thank you so much for staying loyal. Today, you already know what I'm here with. I'm here with the day in the life, new 2020 clean with me. But before I go home and clean, me and my husband, son, and I, we actually decided to come to this beautiful park that we like to come to often. But I just wanted to, you know, sit here and let you guys know, you know, what I'm on, what I got going on. So basically, me and my husband were trying for baby number 2. We already have a 3-year-old, but he's like, now we're just really trying for number 2 because our 3-year-old, you can tell he's getting kind of lonely. It's just the 3 of us out here in Orlando. So it's like, okay, now it's time to give Amir a sibling. I am on a pregnancy journey, so this is our first month trying. I was gonna say, if you guys have like any tips and tricks, comment below. A couple things that I am doing is I joined a couple infertility groups, you know, women that are trying to get pregnant. Like, I joined a couple of their group for tips and stuff. And another thing I did was I downloaded the Glow app, which is really helpful. Like, it lets you track like when your cycle is, and it also tells you like when your ovulation days are. That's another thing that's helpful. I am drinking more water. I can't say that I'm actually eating more vegetables, which I should always be. I thought about getting prenatals and folic acid. When I had my first baby, Amir, he's now 3, what I did basically was I was on the patch, but then I had got off the patch. It took me 2 months to get pregnant with Amir. But what I was doing to help me was drinking a lot of smoothies with vegetables and fruits in it, taking folic acid. DJ was also taking folic acid, drinking way more water. But yeah, that's pretty much, it only took 2 months like after the patch. I do want to take you guys on this journey, and if you're trying to, like, let's go on this journey together, make sure you guys like this video up, because your likes and your interaction actually helps YouTube push my video out to viewers. I would appreciate if you guys like this video, and also comment below. Let's have a conversation, let's connect in the comments. I just wanted to let you guys know that before I go home and, you know, clean, that I am on a pregnancy journey. Go along this journey with me. Let's go on this journey together. You know, let's believe that, you know, God will provide no matter what. And I don't know, I'm just excited. Let's go home so I can go clean this house, girl. Y'all, if you have any suggestions on how to get this melted crayon off this dryer, please let me know, y'all, because I cannot get this off. Look at that. Ugh. guys, so actually before we go home, we promised Amir that we would get him some frozen yogurt. But we looked on the door and it said, all guests not allowed inside without a mask. So you know what I did? I took this pull up and I'm about to wrap it on my face. And I'm about to put it around my face. And I'm about to clip it around my face. And we going in there. And I bet you she won't turn me down. I bet you, because look, my face is covered. I mean, does it look like a mask? Comment below, y'all, if it really does look like a mask, because I feel protected. I don't know about y'all, but I feel protected in this. Let's go. We're going in, y'all. We're going in. Y'all, sorry, I'm not used to this Florida weather yet. Okay, hold on. Oh! Hold on. Babe, you got the card? Come on. Come on, let's go. Oh, please use the front door. Oh, please use the front door. Thank you.